16,000 jobs cut, one company, one decision, and the company is Amazon. This is not just a headline. This is a signal about where the job market is heading. Hello everyone. Today's video is important and serious. If you are a student, job seeker, tech worker, or planning a corporate career, you should watch this carefully until the end. Amazon has announced a large round of layoffs, around 16,000 corporate roles globally. These are not warehouse roles, mostly corporate, tech, support, and management positions. This is part of a major internal restructuring move. According to company statements and industry reports, there are three major reasons. Number one, cost optimization. Number two, reducing management layers and bureaucracy. Number three, increasing use of automation and AI tools. In simple words, companies now want more output with fewer people. This is not an isolated event. Over the last few years, many large tech companies have slowed hiring or reduced staff. The job market is not collapsing, but it is transforming. The demand is shifting from general roles to high-skill roles. So, what does this mean for you? It means job security will depend more on skills than degrees. Focus on practical skills, AI awareness, real project experience, problem-solving ability, adaptability. People who upgrade fast, stay relevant. Remember, layoff numbers look like statistics on screen, but behind every number is a real person, a real family, and a real struggle. Don't panic. Prepare. The market is getting more competitive, but also more opportunity-driven for skilled people.